Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Ford Escape. First, find the cruise control buttons, typically on the left side of your steering wheel. Press the button labeled on /OFF to power on the system. You'll see an indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming that cruise control is now ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed drive. Once activated, accelerate your Ford Escape to the speed you wish to maintain. Then, simply press the SET Plus button to lock in that speed. Your vehicle will now hold this speed automatically. If you need to make small adjustments, press SET Plus to increase speed or SET to decrease it. Each press typically changes your speed by 1 mile per hour, offering precise control. To temporarily disengage cruise control, you have a couple of options. You can gently tap the brake pedal or simply press the cancel button on your steering wheel. If you wish to return to your last set speed, press the RES button. The system will remain active in the background until you press the on/OFF button again, allowing for quick re-engagement. Many Ford Escape models also feature adaptive cruise control. This advanced system not only maintains your set speed, but also automatically adjusts it to keep a predetermined distance from the vehicle ahead. You can typically adjust this following distance using dedicated gap control buttons. This feature significantly enhances both safety and comfort, especially during highway driving, by reducing the need for constant manual adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.